Hi, sweetie. What a good boy. What a nice boy. You're being better than those little babies are. Those little babies are being silly. Oh, little scamps. I'm going to sit over here and see what you guys are doing. Hi, sweetie pie. There's my nice boy. I'm going to zoom out. So this is Bad Cat's boy, born May 20. Very small boy. Mom and Dad are both 16 pounds and under. Okay, so he's a little tiny guy. He's full grown now. He's just little. Good-natured baby. Hey? These puppies are pretty wild. Hey, what are those puppies doing? Mr. Fishes has gone wild. Puppies have gone wild. Hey, sweetheart. It's my nice boy. These little scamps have not settled for a nap yet. I'm used to them. Used to them playing hard and crashing. They haven't crashed yet, but I think that noise means that she's getting overtired. Yes, it does. Noisy puppy. This is Bev's puppy. Oh, look. We got the bed upside down. The pad out of it. Oh, look at your sisters doing. You are silly. Now the toys are out of it. And the pad's out. And everything. There. It's all messy now. She's silly. You just want to have a nap. He's causing some mayhem, this baby. This little guy is like, I don't know, they're a little crazy, these puppies. Are you crazy? You silly. Hi, sweetie pie. He says, I don't know what these dogs are doing around here. And there was a cat in here. Hi. That's my nice boy. He's so sweet. You're so sweet, Mr. Nice little blue tick boy. He's a beautiful blue tick boy. Look at him. He's a very small boy. I had a measuring tape. I'd measure you. He says, well, the hubby had to sit on your lap. You can tell how big I am. He looks bigger in the video, I'm sure, than he actually is. He's quite small.